Hi. Today we will see a multi-timeframe indicator coding hack. If you are a regular viewer of my channel, you must have seen many multi-timeframe indicator codes that I have published. Let's take a recap. This is an indicator function with the name multi-timeframe hack. Here, I'm simply creating a 50-length exponential moving average and plotting it to the chart. This is what the indicator looks like. Now, if I wanted to convert this exponential moving average into having a functionality of choosing a different time frame, then, I have to modify the code something like this. Here, first, we have a user input for the time frame, where the user can select a time frame of his choice. Then, we create an exponential moving average. And then, we use the request.security function that converts this moving average of the current timeframe into a moving average of the selected timeframe. Here we have to take care of indicator repainting issues as well. Let's add this indicator to the chart. So you can see that now we have an option to choose the timeframe. Right now, we are seeing a moving average of the current timeframe, which is the 1-minute timeframe. Now if I choose, say, a 5-minute timeframe here, then, the moving average gets drawn as per the timeframe of 5 minutes, while we are still on the 1-minute chart. So this is what we used to do earlier. But now, just imagine if there were 10 such moving averages to plot in an indicator. Then, we would have to replicate this code 10 times for each and every moving average. That would not be ideal. But, there's a better way. Instead of doing all of that code that we did earlier, we can simply modify the indicator function itself. So here, I'm specifying that the default timeframe would be the current timeframe. And the timeframe gaps attribute is set to true. Now let's add this indicator to the chart again and see the magic. Now, we automatically get this timeframe choosing option. We also get a checkbox that takes care of the indicator repainting issue. Right now the moving average is of the current time frame of 1 minute. Now, I will change it to 5 minutes. And there you go, it has drawn the moving average as per a 5-minute time frame. Now, I will add a second moving average of length 100. Let's see the indicator again. Now, since the selected time frame is 5 minutes, both the moving averages of 50 and 100 length are as per the 5-minute time frame. We need not have to code anything separately for the newly added moving average. But. There's also a downside to this hack. Since this thing gets applied to the entire indicator, all the things that are coded in this indicator will be affected by it. What if I only wanted the 50 length moving average to have the multi-timeframe functionality? And what if I wanted the 100 length moving average to stay as it is, in the current time frame? Well, that is not possible here. We don't get that flexibility here. I hope you learned something new in the Pine script today. Thanks for watching.